All right, 500 XRP price rally incoming. Here's what this open interest battle line says. So XRP just flashed a market configuration that we haven't seen in nearly 2 years. The last time this exact data pattern materialized, XRP erupted with a massive 580% price surge. Now, could history be preparing to repeat itself? So let's analyze the exact metrics right now. Open interest measures total active derivative contracts in the market, the real capital lock in leverage positions. Here on X, analyst Chad Steingraber highlighted that XRP's price has dipped directly beneath what he terms the open interest battle line. Right now, XRP sits at 1.04, but as we can see right here, it's down by negative 2.08 right now, 1.01. Open interest has compressed down to 2.49 billion. When price drops below open interest like this, it marks a significant structural divergence between physical price action and underlying market positioning. Now, my opinion is that I view this compression not as weakness, but as a classic pressure cooker environment. When leverage washes out and converges tightly with the spot price at lower levels, it usually cleans out weak hands and builds a massive launch pad for the next major leg up. Now, how does this compare to the November 2024 setup? Back in November 2024, XRP dipped below this identical battle line when trading around 0.50. What followed was an aggressive surge up to 3.40 by early 2025, a staggering 580% rally. At the time, open interest spiked all the way to 8.56 billion alongside the price expansion. Now, in my opinion, while market conditions always evolve, seeing an identical structure form at 1.04 is captivating. So to me, it suggests that the broader market cycle is resetting its baseline before seeking higher liquidity targets. Now, what catalyst could trigger the next major breakout? For open interest to expand back toward historical highs, the market needs a strong catalyst like regulatory shifts, macroeconomic shifts, or fresh institutional flows. The current chart alignment shows the coiled setup is already in place. All that's missing is the spark. So in my opinion, I believe the setup itself is the most important factor. Catalysts are simply the excuse the market uses to push prices where the structural positioning was already heading. And finally, for our overall conclusion, the convergence of XRP's price at 1.04 with a compressed 2.49 billion open interest creates an identical market setup to November 2024. While past historical patterns never guarantee future performance, this structural alignment provides traders with a crucial risk to reward baseline to watch very closely. And this finally ends our video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one, where you might just as well check this next recommended video right here.